Share out. Go to.
Well, I'm just gonna close out of it for now anyway. So
Okay, so I was just looking at the skips.
yeah, I saw. I was trying to. I can't remember at this point what we had originally.
It's easy,
That would
not
have been that first.
test.
I did do one thing yesterday. I made sure all the update sets on test were set to complete, so we can easily grab them.
Oh, let me do that right now then. While I
I
do
mean,
this.
yeah, if you just want to pull everything up at this point,
Yep.
yeah.
Yeah, because I almost yesterday went and pulled them up, and I was like, nah, I'll just do it tomorrow.
Sure, yeah.
From test. Retrieve completed.
Should be 14.
That is running. Well, the last upgrade it's going to show here is for 14, no, or 4.
Oh, that's true. Yeah. Again, that was just a patch. Yeah. Try yeah, I was gonna say, yeah, upgrade history might have one of those should have been when we went from Quebec to the original. Yeah.
So there was 162 in that one.
Okay.
And we are currently sitting at. All right, so we got 14 update sets.
Yeah.
Tree. Yep.
Okay.
Okay. So we got everything up here we need to deal with. First task, manual configuration, deactivate and hide modules. So let's go to Employee Center.
Yeah, that one's called Employee Center Core. Oh, is it not?
I'm gonna say no because it ain't in these.
Okay. Well, that's what I had written down, but another thing I'm noticing under self-service, I don't see a module to employees. Oh, no, I do. I do see it. Well, um, yeah,
Let
under
me.
service catalog. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, maybe refresh
Yeah.
or law. Yeah.
Okay. Uh,
Okay. Yeah.
yeah, here we go. Employee Center Core. Employee Center.
I wonder what we could do if you just go to
Log
edit
out.
the, or if you can just go to Employee Center, the module to edit it.
Yeah.
It should tell you the scope that it's in. Yeah, it does say Employee Center Core here, although I couldn't find it. So you may be able to just click the. Yeah, it's the same. Got those same errors when looking at it on the other instances too. So until the day comes when we're actually, if and when we end up using that, I figure.
All right, so let's try this again.
But see there on the record in that top line, it says Employee Center Core Application. Uh, to edit it, click here. Maybe just do that. And then what do we say? I think just deactivate it.
And,
Oh,
wait. Well, is that not letting me? You're editing a record in the employee center. But yet my scope still says,
yeah. So I'm wondering if maybe just try Employee Center. I
ah,
hmm. Since you switched to it up top, try hit cancel at the top of that record where it says you are editing a record in the Employee Center Core Application. And it says cancel.
yeah.
Oh,
So,
like it. You see the cancel link?
yeah,
Switch to Employee Center Core, but that's what that I haven't. Isn't that what we just did?
let
Yeah.
me log out, log back in. Just
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. We can always return to
yeah.
this one, but obviously, yeah, it was just a wow. Can't even hide a simple.
Ah,
Oh, okay. Interesting. Wow. A refresh didn't even. So now I'm guessing you're in the right scope to deactivate that. Yeah, that was odd.
I really want to edit it. Come on.
Yeah, I should have looked myself, but yeah. Oh, there we
Good
go.
grief.
Okay.
All right, deactivate that. So I will say this. Edit self-service, uncheck active, switch to diagram building. Hit update just for now. Okay, so go to diagram builder.
Yeah, this was a weird one. It was an application uh that we saw that everyone had access to. Not familiar with it, but I just made it so us admins only could see this entire application. So I think it's the entire application to edit. And I just gave it the admin role instead of SNC internal. I'm not even sure what diagram builder is, but looking at its modules, I was like, everybody should not be able to see this. So
Is it OTech admin or just because it ain't just admin?
oh, I think I saw you. Yeah, it looks like it has the capitalized roles first, and then it goes into the lowercase listed roles alphabetically.
OTech.
So I think it's just lowercase admin.
Is it in there?
I think it's after all the
Oh,
yeah. Yeah, there it is. I think you just scrolled past it.
done. Update. Save, just to be extra safe. Home page. Let me see. I may have done this already.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, with our
Uh,
self-service dashboard.
or maybe not. Clearly not.
Yeah, between the different instances, I didn't know either.
Service.
Oh, was that just my page?
What?
Let's see. I just typed. I was just searching for it.
Create dashboard.
Oh, you know what? I must have done this. I just found one. I just found a dashboard called self-service, but it is shared with SNC internal. So we might have two, but I mean that's okay. I can delete the one I did.
Balls. SNC underscore internal. SNC internal. Do not send an email invitation.
Yeah.
Can view. Share. All right. Create dashboard version and share with SNC internal role. All right, so this one is now completed. Close that task. Go on to the next. Apply 6 update sets. Skips from San Diego, patch 2, hotfix 1. All right, apply the following 6 update sets, each one in a different application
Oh
scope.
man, you know what I realized?
Just out of order.
No, that is our next task. However, I just went to the self-service dashboard you created, and it says it was created in the diagram builder scope.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah. Um,
let me go back to global. Let me go to that
you'd probably
dashboard.
just delete
Delete
that
it.
dashboard, and then yeah, we could create another one from self-service. But you know what I realized? I had created one from self-service already. We may be okay.
So long as it's shared with SNC internal.
Right, exactly. Yeah.
All right, so I am going to that and I am going to it's my do I have to be in the other?
Oh, that's true. Yeah. Because it was in that scope. So you probably got to be in it to delete it, I'm guessing.
Yep, there it
Yeah.
is.
Okay.
So configuration is my delete dash is over
Okay. Yeah.
there. Delete.
Yeah. That's
It's fine. Let me
totally
get back.
forgot about the scope that we had been in that. But yeah, I had just noticed I got a pop up when I went into that that dashboard. So yeah, it looks like the one I created is shared already with SNC internal. I must have done this before when I realized about it before we had even done it on test. So I don't know why I didn't do it on test then, but
Okay, so let's go to update sets. Actually, update sources. Retrieved. Loaded today. And we're looking for tasks 43922. 43922.
yeah, there should be one for global. That one's in a different scope there. I think yeah, we if the ones with those brackets, they're in a oh yeah, you can see under the application column right next to that first column, global versus
Yeah. Four three nine two two. So that's now mobile. 4392 global. This one.
yeah,
Right.
yeah. And this would have been the original skipped one. So this preview could be interesting here. I think we for this one we have a I'll pull up the spreadsheet. Because there could be some errors here.
All right. It failed at 100%. So yeah.
Oh, nice. Just one preview error
What?
though.
All right.
Yeah. So what so that's sys report source. Let me see if I have a record of us doing one of these.
Okay.
Okay, I do. If you hover over, let me I'll send you this in WebEx chat. I have the actual sys ID. Yeah, because where your sys ID is there, it kind of trails off. But so I just sent a WebEx chat. Okay, yeah, we can almost see it there. It ends
Yeah.
in 103.
103D2.
Yep, and that's the one I just sent across. So that one I had as what do we do with that one? We accepted it. So we must have looked into that, determined that it
Okay.
was something that,
So accept remote, right?
yeah, yeah. And as far as the other ones, there was a few other ones I had listed, but we didn't encounter them here, so I am fine with that.
Okay. All right. So we'll go ahead and commit these.
Yeah.
Doing that.
Yeah, then the next five will just be hopping application scopes, but oh. Yeah, I can't remember. We may have encountered this, but there's nothing you can really do because you've already tried to commit it. You've committed what was committable, I guess. That is a rare occurrence, though. You usually don't
Yes.
encounter errors after committing. So, but
I don't
I
like that.
no.
It was one collision, huh?
We accepted it, so and let me look. I can go back and look at that task when we had done that under the request from moving from dev to test. Just out of curiosity, I just to see if we noted anything there, but I don't think there's anything we can. I don't think there's anything we did about it, but Let's see, this would have been a closed task, but okay. Yeah, we captured that commit error on in that task. But yeah, nothing we can do. So, yes, I mean, yeah, we can.
Okay.
I don't think there's anything we can do about it. It was the log for that one. You do the see the related link there on that
Yeah.
record. You're going to show commit log, yeah, because I can. Yeah, that one at the very top. That's the same error we got, and we have it. We recorded an image of this basically right there. I don't know what that means, but we got that same exact error when we went from dev to test and in committing this. But yeah,
Okay.
timeline. Yeah. Anyway,
This was not something that was totally unexpected then.
no, no, similar experience.
Okay. All right. So moving on to number 2. 43,922 in customer service. This home. Is there a
Oh, is that the?
scope?
I think those are the completed update sets. I think you need to go to retrieved.
Sorry.
Same but different. You know how the yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on.
Actually, I think you already have application listed.
All right. Customer service. 439. This guy, right?
Yeah, yeah, looks like yeah, one in 922 customer service. Yeah, so you should be able to just from the update set picker or well application scope picker.
Customer service, correct?
Yeah, one that is I think just customer service. And actually, yeah, I've never sure on commit. I don't know that it matters because you still get the preview update set button. In, but at any rate, you're in the scope now. You should definitely be able to preview and then commit. But
Okay. Looks like it was good.
yeah, these are a lot smaller. These the next five that were in different scopes. So
Committing. Wait, what? System element, delete all data stored in tables and
you know what? That's okay. That is a column going back to Logicalis or network.
oh, perfect.
Yeah, we probably are. We probably have with these skips under this scope have started to revert things to out of the box where we can. So, um,
I am going to
yeah, I believe we encountered this. So, and we proceeded, but
see service. That is done. Two. And I think, Jeff, what I'm going to do, I'm going to save this record. because I don't want to. So 3. Content publishing. So tree. Content publishing. Tree. This guy, right?
Yeah, looks like it. Yeah, ending in 922. Yeah.
Review that. Nothing. That's good. Commit. See, now that's what I like to see.
Yeah, exactly. I know.
Close. Treat update sets 4. We're looking for content experiences. Content experiences. Treat update sets. This guy, right? 43922 in content experiences.
Yeah, yeah.
Preview. Commit. And another score.
Nice. Yes.
So now we can go to 5, which is generic collection framework. Generic collection. Generic collection framework. Retrieved update sets. This guy. 43922. 3922. Yep. Oh, this should be really short.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Commit. So now mobile.
Yeah, so last one on this task.
Now mobile. And now mobile. 3922. Again, this should be an easy one.
Oh, yeah.
Review.
I know these are always the ones when we're going through the skips, then you get one that's not in global. You're like, oh man, because then you got to switch scopes, and then it just causes us to have update sets for just sometimes just one little thing. But
Yeah. So 6. 6. No problems, no errors. That also then ends this particular task, right?
yeah, yeah, that looks good.
So we close this task. This. Let's go back to global. So next is task 46807. One
Yeah.
update set skips from patch 3. Retrieved update sets. All right, we are in global 44719. 709.
Yeah, the 10 skips. Yeah.
Preview this. That's good.
Right.
Commit. Nice. All right. So that one is done. Close that task. Back down to the list. 3 update sets. 688. All of these look to still be in global.
Yeah, so that's makes it convenient. Yeah.
33999. Global.
Y-
3. This guy. Regression testing, yes.
Yeah, so these would have been on any of our fixes we found after testing. But yeah, this will be interesting to see what this preview is. I'll look to see.
All right. So we did encounter an error, which is fine. One error.
Local update set that is newer. So maybe do a compare with local.
Engineering system access request.
Engineering system access request. Available for Ornet users. Oh, okay. It looks like what we did, this was an access request. Um, I'm guessing in the Ornet customer service portal.
Yeah, and
And
we rejected it, right?
it looks like we've deleted it. Um, remote update set has now deleted it. So yeah, I think you can accept the update set and it's going to remove this catalog item. Although it's not even the item, it's just like it's just like a related table or user criteria for it or something. But yeah,
No, it's deleting the catalog item.
yeah.
Right?
Uh, well, see, it's like it's a record that is referencing that catalog item. Because I think if it was the
Okay.
catalog item record here, we'd see all those fields for configuring the catalog item. I'm
I
not
mean,
sure.
quite honestly, we don't even care anyway because it's Hornets CSM stuff and
Right, right. And not sure exactly why we chose, but I think you can accept this remote update. Yeah.
with that, we'll commit it.
Looks like we're good there.
So the next is also on global 34095.
Oh yeah, this should get us our legacy homepage module there under self-service.
4095, yes. Preview this. Still in global. That's nice. It. That. And lastly, 36608.
Oh yeah, here comes contextual search. This one, and I have yeah, this one I have a spreadsheet for. There was, what was it, 7 errors on preview, and it looks like I have recorded that we accepted all of them. So we'll see what we get this time. 7, okay. I would have to assume those are the same 7. So grid
Do you
canvas.
want me to ending in 624 BCB11?
BC. Okay, I have 2 that are. Wait, there's got to be a difference in one of these. Hold on.
Wait a minute.
But yeah, I mean, we accepted them. Um,
Well, I just want to make sure that they're the same ones.
oh, sure.
So,
Does the description say could not find a record for
yeah,
SysGrid Canvas or
for sysportal for column widget reference.
Okay, yeah, I have that one, and it does end in BCB 11,
Yep.
and we accepted it.
Okay, so we accepted that one. Next is could not find a record in SysGrid Canvas for grid canvas reference.
Okay, and that same SysID.
No, this is ending in BCBCC.
Oh, okay, yeah, have that one as well, and yeah, accepted it.
Except for update. Could not find SC cat item producer and SC ending in CB82.
Yep, and we accepted that.
And could not find a record in the CMDB model for a column ending in A8CA.
Yeah, accepted that. So it looks like we're going down the list of the same 7, which is
Okay.
nice at least. Yeah.
Could not find a record in SysGrid Canvas or Grid Canvas ending in, this is the same one, the BCB11.
Okay, yeah, we accepted that.
Could not find a record in Core Company for column vendor referenced. It's because we put it in there. 8ACA.
Uh, let me look at that one. That's interesting. Core Company. Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah, 8ACA in the core company. Yep, we accepted that. Yeah, okay. I didn't see it at first.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, that's the work we did to get the sales module to work.
Yes, yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
And then last one, could not find a record in sysportal for column portal widget reference ending in BCBCC.
CC, yeah, accept. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
And
nice. Okay.
those.
Good to get to that one. Yeah, or through those for this one because
Look at you. That's been a long time getting that one out, man.
Oh gosh, I know. Yeah, and for whatever reason, in configuring it, it captured so much in that update set. So it was always one that I was like, oh, when this one goes, well, the preview errors are probably going to be interesting. But we wasn't too bad, and I'm glad we got record of what we did on test. So been around
Yeah.
this type of thing before. It does help when you go to prod to have a
Okay.
record of what you did. So
This. And I will close this one. Bottom 46809. All right, these look like a bunch of manual changes.
okay, yeah. So I know you had done this on the other instances. This is where we go to the plugins to install the homepage deprecation help tool.
System definition, plugins. Install home depreciation tool.
It looks like it's called, yeah, homepage deprecation. Huh. It's called homepage deprecation help tool.
Seeing all these not installed. Is it?
I mean, that's what pulled it up under plugins. Yeah, is it capital? I mean, technically it is capitalized, but I wouldn't think the searching would, because that's how I found it under dev and test. I mean, did you install it in a different way on dev or test? Because I just assumed you went here, found it, and then installed it. But did you have to get it from the store? Because I mean, if I go to the plugins on dev or test, I can find it in this list. So I just assumed that's how you installed it. But
Um, can't get to the store from here, can I? Let's take a look at that.
oh, interesting. Yeah.
Because quite honestly, I don't recall what the heck I did.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's interesting. And it doesn't even come up. That. Why would we not be able to?
Hold on. possible I already.
Oh yeah, is it already installed?
Right. So,
Yeah, I'm
was
wondering
the
if we have to.
admin?
Is it store.servicenow? I'm wondering if because it's production, like an entitlement needs to be granted or something. I've never quite understood some of these. And you probably have to log in here too once you actually
Oh,
get to the nitty gritty. But yeah, yeah.
this. Well, there it is.
Yeah, clearly.
It, service now may share using, yeah, whatever. It's fine. Make available all instances.
Okay, maybe that was just what we needed to do to make it prod available. I don't know. Clearly saw it in the plugins on the other instances, but they were not prod, of course. So, okay, so now maybe if we refresh our plugin list.
Me just for the heck of it.
Yeah, I'm going there for the first time, so I'm going to see if, I mean, maybe I may have to do the same thing to even see it, but uh, I do see it now. And I did, oh, okay. Well, yeah, yeah,
There it is, right there.
yeah, yeah.
All right.
So we do, we'll have to remember that. We do have that extra hoop, it looks like, with production. And it is free, so yeah.
Install. Yeah, I'd forgot about this.
Man, yeah.
This was like a super big deal initially, and then it was like, meh.
Yeah, right. I know. Yeah, exactly. And the thing I knew is just in installing this, it gives you the
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 ability to
properties
cover, yeah.
and stuff that we then go set, and yeah, the ability to make the switch from dashboards to home pages. So I was like, we better be able to install this tool, but Yeah, it sure is a lot to just get, but all we really see is that dashboard. So,
Yeah. All right. So we'll close this. Now go to
oh well, yeah, I probably got to refresh to.
okay, there we go. Overview. Complete the 2 how to start activities.
Oh yeah, essentially right there in that top left widget or whatever.
The dashboard is in the homepage depreciation. Help tool application but global. All right, so
Yeah, I don't think we got to switch scopes. I think if you just follow the how to start there, it links you directly where you need to go. So,
and we're setting this to true.
yeah.
All right, so that one is done. Tab. Activate this one. I think this is the one they said you should test this first before you activate.
Okay, okay. Yeah, good memory. Yeah. Oh yeah. So this flow is actually called populate homepage migration status table. Interesting.
Okay. No errors, everything completed. So all good. So let's activate this. Yes. Yes, I do.
Yeah.
All right, so that is now active. Go to system properties, all system properties. All system properties. And Polaris experience.
What is it? Glide UI
Polaris
Polaris.
experience. Glide UI Polaris experience. Glide
Yeah.
to true. Right?
Yeah. Then on refresh, we should be in the new UI now.
We are kind of in the new UI. I'm hoping.
Yeah, we haven't applied the theming changes yet, though, so that would make, I think this makes sense. Let's see here.
So I will save this record. I will close this one as it is done. I'm chuckling because in the task, the form is displaying in the new
Oh,
UI, but the navigation, everything else is still. I'm in a different browser on the other
oh,
side.
gotcha. Sure, sure.
All right, so on 4 update sets, these are all in different scopes. So first one, CMD workspace. Uh, CMDB workspace. And I'm going to go back to tree. Actually, tree. I am looking for
Oh, yeah, I was just a second
4496.
ago.
Oh, I really just wanted the list.
Oh, yeah, right. Here we
Let's
go.
see, 44096 in CMDB. This guy right here, next experience UI deactivate. Yes.
Yeah.
So
Okay, yeah, we're getting rid of those workspaces or hiding them anyway.
preview. Commit. All right, so first one is good. It's funny, you don't really get a feel for how much work went into getting all these update sets together. And
Oh yeah. Well, it's just it builds over time over like the
yeah,
month and a half that we I think we're working on the upgrade. Yeah, I know. Well, with the UI, that's why there was definitely more this go around, I think, than
CSM and FSM, is there such a thing? CSM. Am I gonna have to go into both on this one?
Oh, actually, I see it's actually called that CSM and FSM,
Oh, there it is right there.
configurable workspace. Yeah.
Right. Six. Yep. Okay, so this guy, preview, close, commit. Actually takes longer to update what the heck you did than the work
Yeah.
itself.
Right.
right. Close. Back to global.
Yeah, and I think that was the last time you had to change scopes, which is nice. So
Looking for 4, 6. This one, right?
next experience UI configurations. Yeah, globe.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is where everything should start looking normal again.
Yes, I think so. Or well, there's a couple other steps in here Debashree had listed. So yeah, we'll see. This may get us closer though.
All right. So errors. Commit that. All right. Issues. That's good.
Huh. So well, yeah, the steps are still to come here. I just refreshed after you did that. It looks like dev right now, but we have a property to change still. So yeah.
So last one is 45, 144. Global. 5, 144. Themes, yes. Review.
Guessing this will give us our
Commit.
production theme.
Close. Complete the below manual steps. This properties list. This
So we're looking for Glide UI Polaris theme custom.
UI custom.
Glide UI Polaris dot theme dot custom.
This guy.
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah. And
Hey,
she,
look.
okay, she's given us a value of the sys ID. I'm guessing that's the sys ID of the production theme. The 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 red.
Type the value again. So copy this into here. 5A, 5A, ending in 5.6, ending in 5.6. I assume everything in between is correct.
Right, right. If your copy function is working, I would
Yeah.
yeah.
So I will save this. I will update this.
So, yeah, I'm gonna refresh. All right.
Yep. There we go. Okay.
And that was that the final task?
Save that record. So we are done with this one, right? That's the last
Yeah.
do.
Yeah.
Close that task. All right, so all of the tasks are complete at this point. So now we are simply reviewing the change, right?
Yeah, I believe so.
So I will set us to review. And I may have remembered, or I may have forgotten, or I just wanted folks to realize the number of changes that we're dealing with. And when I made that additional comment in the change, I don't know if you saw that, but
Oh, yeah, I didn't.
yeah, but that was done a little bit earlier in the process. Oh.
Gotcha. Yeah, I'm going back into the change right now. So, uh,
So I'm going to log out and log back in.
okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do the same
Just one
thing
more
just to
time.
be.
Yep.
Yeah, it's not a bad idea.
Woo!
Yeah,
That'll get your attention.
no kidding.
Oh, look at the last dashboard I was on.
Oh yeah, yeah. What do you know? Yeah. Welcome to the new world. Let's
All right, so
see here.
see home pages. Yes, I can still get to those. That's all good. Dashboards, desktop. ITIL looks good. Employee self-service. Can I get to it? There better be one in here owned by Jeff Kraft.
Yeah, there definitely should be. I think
Uh,
I think it's called Try a Self.
okay, there we go. Woo!
Okay. Yeah, yeah. So that should.
Jeffrey.
Yeah, no kidding. I'm seeing it. Did I share with everybody? Yeah. So.
Good, good, good. All right, so just poking.
Yeah, I know. I was kind of doing the same thing.
That now takes me to my last dashboard. Boy, I really,
Right to the homepage, yeah.
I think that's the one that's going to be difficult for people to get used to. The
Yeah,
stuff not loading until you hit it.
yeah, that's true.
All right. So at this point, I think I'm going to stop the recording
Okay.
because we're done with the upgrade. Now we're just going to be reviewing stuff, poking around, that kind of stuff.
Yeah, I think so. Um,
Stop. Stop